Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, I will be focusing on a few of my favorite square knot patterns. The first pattern is very simple to create. The pattern consists of continuous rows of alternating square knots. Repeat until you have reached your desired length. The second pattern uses square knots to create an hourglass shape. Start with 4 square knots and decrease to 1 square knot. Once you've decreased down to 1 square knot, you'll then start increasing again up to 4 square knots. If you continue to create this pattern, it will create diamond shapes within your work. If you are interested in creating just diamonds, you'll need to start at the top of your work with 1 square knot and increase, instead of starting with 4 square knots and decreasing. The third pattern is a series of diamonds that you can create anywhere on your work. You can create quite a nice design by just adding these small diamonds throughout your work. The fourth pattern is a large diamond formation with a small diamond in the middle. I am going to double up on the square knots in the diamond formation. You can choose to keep it as is or double up as well. We will now create the small diamond in the middle. Make sure your square knot is level with the square knot on the side, and then your next two square knots will be level with the bottom square knot on the side. Now we will work our way back in. If you are making a wall hanging and would like to layer your work, the next pattern is great to use as a top layer on your work. Create two sections of continuous rows of alternating square knots. Once you have reached your desired length, connect these two sections in the middle of your work. I like to use a few different knots and patterns to bring two pieces of my work together. I will be dedicating another video tutorial to this topic, so stay tuned for that. For all of the square knots so far, I have been creating them one way. For this particular piece, I like to create them the opposite way on this side of my work so that it is even. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.